I was out for a dog walk today and we all got covered in bits of super sticky burrs. And this reminds me about one of my favourite creativity tools and how it inspired the invention of Velcro. From sneakers to spacesuits, it's used in countless products, but do you know how it came to be? An engineer was out with his dog, like we were, when he noticed that his clothes and their coats were covered in these sticky burrs. And in the lab under a microscope, he saw that the burrs were covered in these tiny hooks. And the hooks got caught onto anything that had a loop, like clothing or animal fur. And he realised he could create a fabric fastener that acted like the burrs. And the idea of Velcro was born, replacing the zip and even making it into space. This is the basis of a creative technique called related worlds. And it assumes that someone, somewhere, now or in history, and somewhere in the world has had your problem. You just have to seek inspiration outside of your field or project and then bring it back to your challenge. To try it out for yourself, head to the caption.